Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Jack TV. For today's English lessons, I'm going to talk about pronouns. So, are you ready? Let's get started. There are 7 types of pronouns, but for today's lessons, I'm going to focus on one pronoun only. That is interrogative pronouns.
Okay, first, what is interrogative pronouns? We use an interrogative pronouns to ask a question. The interrogative pronoun represents the thing that we do not know. The words what, who, whom, and which are interrogative pronouns. Next, I will show you a video on how to use interrogative pronouns.
Hey guys, for today's video, there will be a special guest to come here. Who is he? Let's welcome special guest. Hi guys. Okay. First of all, who are you? Who am I? I am me, and I am you. Okay. Can you tell us what is your name? My name is Overver Vuvu Okwasususomensing Osas. Can you tell them what are you doing here? What am I doing here? You are the one that invited me here. You should know why I'm doing here. Oh, okay, calm down, relax. Which one of us is real? Is it me or he? So leave your answers in the comment section below. Excuse me. To who are you talking?
Yes.
We are in the recording now. Alright, hey, don't.
Okay.
Alright, see you next time. Alright guys, I have to stop the recording now because our guests have walked away. So see you guys again. Bye.
Alright guys, that are the examples on how to use interrogative pronouns. So, I will give you 2 exercises to do. Okay? The first exercise is this. Complete the sentences with the correct interrogative pronoun. For this exercise, you no need to write it down in your workbook. Okay? You just write down the answers in the comment section below. Understood? Okay, so if you understood, I give you 10 seconds to read the questions and write down your answers. 10 seconds start now. Alright, time's up. Can you do it in time? Remember, write down your answers in the comment section below. The second exercise, I will put the link in the description below. So, you just click the link and try to do it. We have come to the end of the lesson. So I hope you have learned something from my video. So, if you like this video, please give me a like. Leave your questions or your answers in the comment section. Help me share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Jet TV. See you guys on my next video. Goodbye.